Full-size high-speed PVC powder mixer. PVC powder. Such a high-speed mixer is used for mixing, tumbling, drying and coloring all kinds of material in plastic, rubber, daily chemical industries. PVC high-speed mixer is moved by the active reducer to the plow grip axial movement, and the material is performed radially circumferentially in the direction of the barrel, and the material is thrown in the normal direction of the plowed side on the other hand. When the material is thrown through the flying knife grip, the flying knife of the high-speed rotating knife is stirred and strong, and the material is constantly superimposed, diffused under the composite of the pin knife and the flying knife. The series high-speed mixer adopt advanced design and can be operated easily. They have small size, light, weight, high efficiency, low energy consumption and low noise.